So anxious attachment. The goal to change one's mating strategy for a rebound relationship is centered on the idea of resolving anxious attachment to the ex-partner and embracing optimism for finding a new partner. So the reason why Pierce is suggesting that a rebound relationship might repair self-esteem is in line with what you see Spielman, McDonald, and Wilson suggesting. They conclude on the rebound, focusing on someone new helps anxiously attached individuals let go of ex-partners, that finding a new partner by pursuing a rebound relationship can help people detach from an ex-partner. Now, where they are different is Pierce is suggesting that it could repair self-esteem and that entering these types of relationships, whether short-term or long-term, might help the person prevent depression. What these three authors are suggesting is that if there is no chance of the relationship being repaired, then the more anxiety a person feels after the breakup, the more likelihood that person will continue to hang on to the relationship and not seek anything else. And so they are suggesting that by pursuing a rebound relationship, this can help a partner, to detach from an ex-partner, to detach from a possibly toxic relationship. The goal would be adaptation to a possibly fully functioning relationship. And our souls need function, not dysfunction. Even if we are more inclined to pull at and sustain toxic relationships, our soul cannot live long term with toxicity. And so they are suggesting then that pursuing a rebound relationship then would help one person to let go and detach emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, financially from an ex-partner.